So the question we're going to be doing today is write an equation in slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to y equals 2 over 3x minus 7 and it has a point negative 6, 4. So whenever you're going to be asked to find a perpendicular slope, you're going to figure out the slope of the other perpendicular line and do the negative reciprocal. So for example, if I had negative 1 over 2 and I had to find out the negative reciprocal, so I would do is times it by a negative, which would give me a positive, and do the reciprocal, which is going to be 2 over 1. So this is the slope of my original, and this will be the slope of my perpendicular line. So we're going to apply that same knowledge with this question. So in this question, we have y equals 2 over 3x minus 7. So because this equation is in y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form, we can clearly find out m. And so you always want your equation to be in slope-intercept form, so it's easy to solve the equation. So we can find out that m equals 2 over 3. So your perpendicular m, or slope, would be the negative and reciprocal of that equation, of that slope. So what you're going to do next is, now that you got the slope, you can write this equation in slope-intercept form as they wanted in slope-intercept form. So you got y equals negative 3 over 2x plus b. And make sure that you write this as plus b, because it's not always that these two will have the same y-intercept. And then to find out that b value, what you're going to do is, you were given a point at the beginning, negative 6, 4. So you can plug in that point back into this equation and it should equal. So this is your x value and this is your y value. So you're going to plug it in. 4 equals negative 3 over 2 times negative 6 plus b. You're going to simplify, and you should get 4 equals negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 plus b. And you're going to isolate your b value to get b equals negative 5. And that finishes off your equation. Y equals the perpendicular slope, x minus 5.